Hi guys, this is Kaylee. If you're watching this, you're probably at your first launch party for your Anython event. I'm going to go ahead and help you out today and show you exactly how to enter your 20 phone numbers and emails that hopefully you have brought ready to go for this launch party. If you have any questions at all, feel free to ask your coach and they can contact me directly. Hopefully though, I can answer any questions you may have in this video. So let's go ahead and get started. First, you can see I'm at anython.com. You can go ahead and use a laptop or a phone to go to this website. Either work great. You are going to enter in your access code at the top here. Every athlete should have received their own personal access code. It's going to be about 7 letters long. If for any reason you don't have an access code, again, contact your coach. They can contact me directly and I can make you an access code. So for the sake of this example, I have created an access code and also a test event page just to kind of show you guys what it's going to look like on your end. So first thing that's going to pop up is my information. This is where you can personalize it by adding a photo of yourself. Make sure that your first and last name are correctly spelt. You can add a phone number or email. If that's all correct, we're going to go ahead and press confirm. The next window to pop up is called our Share Wizard window. And this is where we are going to enter all those emails and texts. You can see at the top that we are at 0 times shared. Our goal for this launch party is to have everyone be at 20 times shared because we found that this is probably the most effective number of people to share your event with to really jumpstart this event. So let's click share by email. You can type or paste up to 100 emails at a time, so I'm going to just put in my own email for the sake of this demonstration. You can also import emails, which is kind of cool, through Gmail, MSN, Yahoo. Makes it really simple. You can also edit the email text. So this is exactly what all the sponsors are going to see when you send that message. You can go ahead and edit this a little bit if you would like, but this right here is going to be your link to your own personal page. So if grandma receives this email and she wants to donate to you, all she has to do is click this link and it's going to take her exactly to your page where she can donate $20 or $1 per kick or whatever she would like. It makes it super simple and easy. So make sure that you don't edit that. Once I am confident and ready to send, I can click finish and send. And you can see at the top it says 1 email was sent and 0 emails viewed. So you can go ahead and see the status of all these emails here. This way, if you want to resend emails to those who haven't received the email or haven't pledged yet, you can go ahead and see all that information here. So now I'm at 1 times shared, and it kind of keeps track for you at the top. Then I want to go in and share by text. So what you're going to do is copy and paste up to 20 text message or phone numbers into this slot. So for example, I'm going to put in a random phone number. What I want to do is put a comma and then a space before I type in my next phone number. This just makes sure that all of them are separated so that the computer can understand, okay, this is one phone number, this is another phone number. If for any reason I accidentally put one more digit, let's say I put an extra 4, when I click send text, this error message is going to pop up at the bottom and it's going to say that you don't have one of your phone numbers is too long. So then you have to go through and check all these phone numbers and see where you have accidentally put in another digit. So I put another 4 in, so once I delete that, I would be able to send this text. So for me personally, I would recommend only putting 5 at a time. So this way, if an error window does pop up, you're not sifting through 20 phone numbers and trying to see where you went wrong. Then you can see at the bottom here, this is exactly what your sponsor is going to receive through the text message. You can edit this again if you would like, but this right here is your link, and this is how they're going to get to your page. I feel like it's super great if you want to edit it. If not, then that's totally fine as well. I am not going to send these because it's just a random number, but when I do, this number will change at the top and you can see, okay, now I'm at 3 times shared. It went through. You can also post onto Facebook using this. You can share multiple times, but again, this will only count as one share. So if you go back and repost it, I think it might count as another. But this is a really great way to get the word out. You can also post onto Twitter, and this is how you pledge to yourself. You can also post onto Instagram too. Currently, we don't have an algorithm to keep track of this, but you do have your own share link that you can see at the bottom that you can copy and paste this into maybe your story or make a special post about it, just to make it simple for your sponsors to be able to find your page and donate to you specifically. I'm going to go back to my page, and this is where your photo would be. You can see how much your goal is to raise. Here is going to be a video that your team has created. So go ahead and watch this video after I'm done, because it's kind of a cool way just to show all your sponsors what's going on and what's happening. Here's the story. We add a short story kind of explaining the event to your sponsors. Here is where you would be able to see if you got any pledges. Sometimes sponsors can write a cute note or a little bit of motivation, so you can see all of those here. If you ever want to go back and put in more than 20 phone numbers and emails, that is totally great and we totally recommend it. You can go and click this share button right here, and that is going to take you to your Share Wizard window. Again, if you want to save this for later, come back, all you need is that access code and it will take you right to your page. So please make sure that you either write it down, take a picture. If not, you can always text me personally using the Remind app or ask your coach. And that's it, you guys. It's super simple and straightforward. So go ahead and take this time to enter in your 20 contacts that you have brought ready to go. If you have any questions at all, go ahead and ask your coach and they can contact me directly and I would love to help out. Thanks so much, guys. Have a great event.